for this video, it's kind of a little bit of a pop-up video, but it's 6:30 in the morning. I'm about to go get ready. I'm taking Haley to a really nice spot called the Sugar Bar because she's been a little upset right now, and she's always wanted to go there, so might as well like surprise her and take you guys with me. I'm obviously recording this on my phone because I don't want her to find out. I'm gonna be recording with my camera. I'll record us both when we're ready. And we're both ready. We're going to Dutch Bros first. Get some bomb ass coffee. They just opened one in our area. As you can see, we're both ready. Some better than others. It wraps around the building, and there's people waiting out in the street to get coffee.
We should do a tasting review of these. The water bottles where you can change out the flavors.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Yeah, we should do that for a video. Tell us if you guys want that.
Any idea where we're going?
No, I have no clue where we're going, honestly.
Good.
So Brian got one for us to share together, and then he got his own coffee, and then I got the Rebel again. So if you saw our last like Laughlin video, I think it was, we got Dutch Bros, and I got something very similar.
So I couldn't drive you there. We actually had to walk there. Let's see if you can guess where I brought you. That's good.
It's right there. I'm so excited.
You were not even excited.
I've been wanting to come here forever. Do you guys have a reservation?
Yes. But you weren't.
But you can't drink though.
It don't matter. There's other stuff here too. And guess what else is there? You know the Viva Las Vegas? The one zombie movie? No, you don't remember it? The one with the tiger.
Oh, where is the zombie tiger? Yeah.
The experience again.
What?
The VR experience again.
No. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Okay, you know what? You did pretty good. Honestly, I'm surprised. You've never done stuff like this before. This is really cool.
Your artwork.
Thank you.
Oh, that's so cool.
Thank you. Yeah, this is all Harry Potter up here, and then the Alice in Wonderland, Tinkerbell.
My brother's got all the Looney Tunes.
Oh, that's awesome.
He started out with one, and it's like the whole thing.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you. Would it be okay? And how can I? We haven't even looked at the menu on it.
Actually, can I get a drink recommendation?
Yeah, of course. So what do you like, or what are you feeling at the moment?
Okay, so alcohol, if possible.
Yeah, of
and
course.
then, like, I like anything like sour. Wow, that looks so cool.
I think you could, I mean, I don't know, it's a lot to ask, but would you be able to explain the
Like,
drinks
what's in the
on the on camera?
So basically what it is you have the dry ice at the bottom, and then we fill it up a little bit to the top with the regular ice, just so when we pour the drink in, you give that bubbly effect so you get that smoke, kind of like, you know, like a witch's brew.
Yeah.
But it's really cool. It'll stay bubbling for a little while, and then like it'll calm down, and once it calms down, you can just take a poke at it and it'll do it all over again.
Oh, that's so dope.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll get you guys some paper towels. Don't worry about it.
Perfect. Wow, dude.
That's so dope.
So, what would you review this alcoholic beverage here?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Do you like the surprise or no?
I love it. It's awesome.
I just like how it's all bubbly and smoky. And their music, I'm sorry it's copyrighted, but they know how to play some music here.
Yeah, they have good music here. Dude, this just tastes so good. And it has a lot of alcohol.
And
Pretty
sugar.
dope.
Let's get that shot. fucked up.
I'm looking for an excuse anyways.
For what?
My phone.
No, man. We wanted to thank the staff, the manager that allowed us to record in there. They provided us with amazing food, service, and alcohol. Honestly, like their alcohol.
Drinks were amazing.
Amazing. This place was
10 out of 10 would recommend. Hopefully all of you guys come out here, come out to LA, come to the sugar factory. It's pretty awesome. We're hopefully going in their gift shop next.
hopefully. But did you like your surprise?
Yes, I loved it. It was perfect.
Alright, for sure you guys, we'll be recording in like 2 minutes. So we came by to Viva Las Vegas Vengeance, the VR experience. Hopefully you like it. I don't know, your tummy's a little upset right now.
It was all the sugar.
All the sugar. I wasn't really able to record the whole experience, but I was able to have an actual gun in the VR experience, and we were on a bus that was literally moving as we moved in the game. It was just an amazing experience. Security wouldn't let me record that much because I mean, it was sponsored by Netflix. What can I say? Netflix doesn't want anybody to make money off of
You
that.
take your picture. Take the mask. Take the mask. You can take the mask now. Okay, cool. No problem.
Yeah, that one will be good.
Okay, your turn.
Everyone in the front.
Alright, so we just made it back home, ending our day here, probably watching a movie. But overall, what did you think, Haley?
It was awesome, honestly. I had the most fun time. Dang, they're getting lit in there.
Man, they're getting lit. My sister's just having like some kind of party or something.
Friends over, probably.
Friends over or something, but 10 out of 10. Today
Yeah,
was
dude,
fun.
It was awesome, honestly.
I'm gonna go see what they were doing. But that's gonna end the vlog here. Say bye, Haley. Bye. Bye, guys.